In this generation, page building or website building is not that difficult because of the different drag and drop page builders. And in this video, we are going to talk about one of these page builders, so just tune in. We are going to talk about Pagefly. So this is a page builder. We are now looking at the dashboard of Pagefly. As you can see, you have here a get started section where you can watch a video how to get started with Pagefly. On the right side is some updates about this Pagefly application, so you may always check here if there is an update. Below that is the recommended Shopify applications, and you have here your recent pages. This is just a list of the pages that you have created. So if you have already created these pages, and you can find it here. So before we go to the different pages and how to create them, let's go to the different buttons. So basically this create a page, and this one, also this plus button here is just basically the same. So they have the same function, it's just to create a new page. Now let's go to the analytics. The analytics is just basically the basic statistics on how your pages perform. So you have here how many add to carts, how much revenue did this page generated, your conversion rate, the product views time on this page, and how many visitors are there. You may also filter the date if you want to view the performance of your website today, then you can set that. So that is a very great feature. Now let's go and create our pages. So to create a page, you may just click this plus button or go through these different specific pages. So you have here the regular pages, your home page, product page, collection page, blog post, and password pages. So depending on what you will be creating, just click on them. So if you click on this plus button, you will see the same pages. So the regular page, home, collection, product, password, and blog post. So you have to set your page title. So for example, this is your home page, and automatically it will create a page URL. So you may still edit that. Now, since this is your home page, let's just select the home page. The second thing you need to consider is if you want to show some header and footer, or if you want to hide it. So for now, let's hide it. And the page optimization. So this is a great way or a great option because you have here the option of regular loading where it automatically loads everything on your website. However, if you want to load your website faster, then you can enable the lazy loading. The next thing you need to do is to select a theme. So there are 74 themes that are available in Pagefly, and you may also set them according to your niche. So if your niche is in fashion and apparel or health and beauty, then you may find here the different themes about health and beauty. Now let's select the type. So since we are going to create a homepage, so select that and just select these templates that are available. However, there is also a blank template, so you may choose that if you want a unique one. So let's say we would like to use this. So on the right side, you have here the preview of this page or template. So that is a great feature because before you proceed, you can see how these templates look like. So if you want to change, then you can change it easily. So let's say that we would like to use this, just click next. So we are now on the customizer of this Pagefly. So on the right, you have here an add element that is containers, the basics like the heading, paragraph, button, list, HTML or liquid, your media, photos and whatnot, the social medias, your advanced like MailChimp, countdown timer, table, progress, and Google Map. For example, you have selected to create a new heading. So how would your heading looks like? So that is a great feature because it is very clean, so it is not confusing. It is easy to use for new beginners. So this is a user friendly. So you have also here to add Shopify elements, add third-party elements. So these are from the different Shopify applications. And the last one is add section. So if you want to add an image with text or whatnot like the icons, testimonials, top product. So it has everything here. Just go to this left side and navigate them. Discover some of the features that you might need. So if you want to delete these sections, you just have to click them and select delete. So this one is to duplicate them. This is to move them. So this one is to save a section. So this is a great feature because if you are doing this in every pages, then it is easier to create that section. So you don't have to make it one by one. Just save it to your library and import that once you need that already. So on the right side, you have here the customizers for each page. For example, you select to edit this one. So you may select how many rows, max width. If you want to hide this on desktop, laptop, tablet, or mobile, you can always enable that. So you also have here your attributes, your ID, your class, if you want to set an ID or class for this section. So you have here your animation settings. When displayed, what would you like this to do? So would you like this to bounce, flash? So there are many animations available in here. That's basically it. So this is a very great application because aside from this is a user-friendly application, it is very easy to use. Another positive thing about this application is that it's already optimized in every devices. So once you have published your homepage or any pages, you will get a notification. So to go back to the dashboard of Pagefly, just click close. Now that we have created our homepage, it is already listed here. We have here the analytics button, the settings for this homepage. If you want to view it, just click here. And if you want to make some actions, more actions like to duplicate and publish, import, export, and delete this page, just go to this button. So that's basically it. So this is Pagefly. I hope that you have learned something from this video. And if you want to use this Pagefly application, I have listed the link below. So just click on that to install this application. And thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and we are happy to hear from you on the comment section. Visit our YouTube channel Conversion Chef for more videos about reviews of Shopify applications that can help you increase or boost your sales. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications and our mailing list. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified with our new updates. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!